What's good, guys? Pixelplay2215 here, and today, as many people probably know, one of the Minecraft YouTubers, Technoblade, has passed away due to cancer at the age of 23. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can show some support or love by adding Technoblade's crown and a cancer badge to your Minecraft skin. So, here we go. So first, what you guys want to do is go to minecraft.novaskin.me. Next, in your search menu, you want to type in Technoblade crown. You click enter. Then you want to scroll down till you find this one here, and just click on add layer. Okay, so now you have this little layer of just the crown here. So as you can see, that's looking all good so far. Next up, this is completely optional, but you can do the cancer badge, alright, by just clicking cancer and click on the cancer awareness ribbon and click on add a layer. Okay, then you want to find your Minecraft skin, so I'm going to open and show all files, and I want to import my skin. Now, it may look a little weird because I already have a helmet, so I'm actually going to get rid of my helmet. So let me go ahead and get rid of my own helmet real quick, and then yeah, we'll do this. Alright, so as you guys can see, now I have the ribbon. Now, if anything does happen, you can just drag your skin and move it to the bottom layer like that, and it should fix itself. Go delete that. Okay. Alright, so there you go. Now I have the Technoblade crown with a little cancer badge awareness. Now you click on save, give it a name. I'm just going to click on save. Now I'm going to right click, save image as, and save it to whatever you want. Click save. I'm just going to replace mine. Head over to Minecraft. Go to skins. Add new skin. Browse. Find it. Name it. And save. Now I already have it, so I'm actually just going to delete that because I already have one all made up, as you guys can see. Alright, so there you go. Now you have a Technoblade crown and a little badge just to show awareness. Alright, that's it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, smash that like button, comment down below what I should do next, and show your love to Technoblade. Peace out.